Hello guys, so today I want to show you step by step how you can make up to $100 online. You can make up to $100 online weekly if you use this method I'm going to show you. This method is available on your smartphone and you can still use it from your computer. It just depends on how you want to use this method. So keep on watching, let me show you. So the first application we are going to talk about that you can see on the screen is featurepoints. So register from this application if you have not, and you can use my referral code, which is money70 if you want. So you can see that on featurepoint, what you can do on featurepoint, you can play games, download the application, take surveys, and you will be getting paid every time you complete each surveys or download it by downloading application. You can see when I click on this application here, if I download this application, use it for 2 minutes, I'm going to get 24 points that you can see at the top here. It keeps on going and so on and so on. They have daily sweepstakes that you can go and join and start making money with. You can see I can click on any offers here, enter them, take the surveys, and I will get paid. So you can see that I can watch videos and get tokens. I can use those tokens to enter my daily competition, which is the task, which is this one here. Go to start taking quiz, like completing some task, and in return I will get paid for just doing that. So that is how it works. So how you can get paid on this application, which is featurepoint, is very simple. If I click on this, my redeeming session here, you will see that you can redeem your money by Amazon, PayPal, Steam, Zalando, and Bitcoin. It just depends on how you want to use to make money with this application. So let us move to the second application. Before we move to the second application, if I click on the share button here, you will see that you'll be able to refer people to this program and you'll be start making lifetime earning from anyone you refer to this program. You can see that you can use my referral code here, which is money70. So this application is available worldwide. You can go and try it out. Let me know the country where you are and let me know if you work in your own country. This is a free money method, so I hope that you are enjoying it. Let us move to the second application. Work is very simple. So like I said, honeygain will allow you to make money while you just allow this application to run on your smartphone or your computer background. So the first thing you have to do is to register. Once you are registered, and then you can install the application on your smartphone or on your computer. That is how it works. All you just need to do, make sure you have internet connection, and you'll be making money with honeygain. So how you can get paid on honeygain is through PayPal and Bitcoin and their own payment method that they added. So you can go and try it out. So once you have downloaded honeygain on your smartphone, this is how it will look. But before I show you how it looks on your smartphone, if I click on this boss icon, you will see that for just signing up, you will get $5 for just signing up on honeygain. I have received a lot of money for honeygain. So let me show you. So as you can see, guys, this is the application, which is honeygain. So when I click on honeygain here now, it will open and you can see my daily earnings and how honeygain application looks. So this is my honeygain app. And if I scroll down here, you can see that I've referred people and more people are joining every single day and so on and so on. Let me go and show you proof. If I click on this icon here and click on payment transaction history, you see that I have made money with this application. I'm not just talking. So if I go back here now, I can go and check the link. So to start referring people, you can click on here, share. If I share my link with you now, you use it, I will make money for you using my link to sign up. So that is how it works, guys. And then you can go and start using honeygain to start making free money online. Let me know what you think about honeygain. Let us move to the third application. So as you can see, the third application is called mcmoney. mcmoney is an application you install on your smartphone. All you just need to do, allow it to run and receive message on your smartphone, and you will get paid. So as you can see, I have paid out a lot of times. When I click on this and click on earnings, you will see all the payments I'll be receiving from this application, which is mcmoney. You can go and try it out, and this is my referral link. If you want, you can use it. If you want me to be a referral, you can use my referral link, which is BTYKATSS. You can go and use it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. So how you can receive your money on this application is through PayPal. So to receive your money, once you hit the minimum amount of cashing out, which is $5, you will see that they will give you option of cashing out with PayPal. So that is how this application, which is called mcmoney, work. Let me know what you think about mcmoney in the description below. Like again, if you like this video that I'm making, all you just need to do for me now is to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what you think about this video in the description. So I'm going to end this video from here, and I'll keep on making more videos and more apps and more ways on how you can make money online. But on my channel, I focus most on crypto and affiliate program, affiliate marketing. So if you want to watch my affiliate marketing video and my crypto video, the tutorial that I made, you can watch these two videos that will pop up right now. Let me know what you think about them in the description below. I will say thank you and see you on my next video. Don't forget again, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friend. Thank you and see you on my next video.